What song should I do?
I'd like to sing the song that I made up. I don't know what it's called yet because I just made it up, but I would like to sing it for you guys on YouTube. I hope you like it. I know that you are with me now, and I just want the whole world to know that I love you and you and you. No one can ever change that. It's in me, and now it's whatever it takes. I love you and you, yeah, yeah. Come on, baby, what I'm talking about. Come on, baby, what I'm talking about. I know that you like me, and I love you. Let's get it together, and you know what we can do. You can't see me. Bye.
Hope you like it.
Hope you